Hey, what's going on, guys? BoostedWhipz here. I wanted to do a video. I've been seeing a lot, on the forums and on the news and whatnot, that the wheels are getting stolen on the Accord. Reason being is because it's a hot item. It fits different car models and whatnot. So I wanted to do a video. A lot of people are saying, why don't you install wheel locks? Wheel locks is not going to work. These people that are jacking the wheels, you hold them down a little bit, but they have the right tools to go ahead and remove these wheels, so that's not even going to work. I believe the best investment is to do what I did, which is basically add the sensor, shock sensor on your factory alarm. So basically any movement or whatnot is going to set it off. Little side note, if you guys don't know, if they go ahead and they break your window, your alarm won't go off by factory until they open the door and the alarm is still activated. That's when the alarm will go off. But if they break your window and they climb through, you'll never see it, and basically you'll still get jacked in the inside. Same thing if they lift your car or whatever it is, or they bang on your car, it won't go off. So that's why the shock sensor is very important. I wanted to go ahead and demonstrate this for you guys so you guys can see. So the way I have it set up is so that it's not so sensitive. So if it rains or whatnot, it won't set it off. So I'm gonna do a light touch so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna do a small bang so you guys can see how it gets set off. So off the bat, if you go ahead, if you do regular, it's not gonna go ahead and set it off. Again, you can set it off more sensitive, where if a broom drops or if you do that type of tap that I did, it will go ahead and actually set it off. But in this case, I have it so that if they do a bang, I'm gonna go ahead and bang the wheel. It goes ahead and sets it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock the car one more time. I'm also gonna do a bang on the actual window. So if you guys know, it takes a lot to go ahead and break a window. So if they hit it once hard without it breaking, this shock sensor is gonna pick it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that demonstration right now so you guys can see. If I do this, nothing happens. I can knock on the window, but if I bang, it sets off the alarm. Another keynote is whoever the alarm specialist that's going to go ahead and do your install, a lot of them don't want to do this, but basically there's a wire that disables this feature by factory, or by default should I say. If they're able to break this keyhole right here and kind of turn it to unlock your car, and they open the door, it's gonna disactivate the alarm, so it defeats the purpose of the shock sensor. So what you want to do is you want to cut that wire. So if your alarm specialist tells you that it's not gonna work, it's gonna work, go ahead and cut that wire, and that's gonna prevent, if they bust the keyhole, they still can't get in. If they open the door, it's still gonna set it off. So that's another nice feature. You might ask yourself, if I do that and I run out of battery, what happens? Basically, you can't get into your car. But I'd rather not be able to get into my car than run the risk of getting jacked, whether inside your car, your wheels, outside. So guys, protect your investment. I hope this video was very useful. I'm gonna go ahead and put my alarm specialist, if you're in the local Miami area, Doral area, or whatnot, give this guy a call. He does great work, does it really fast. He has the kit already pre-set up. All he has to do is come 20-30 minutes tops out of your time, and he'll go ahead and hook that up. So guys, hope that video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, BoostedWhipz, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.